Very good morning, class 4. This is me, Nitish, your SST teacher of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. And a very warm welcome back again in e-learning program of the school. So, we are discussing the 7th chapter number of class 4 in SST. And the name of the chapter is Forest and Wildlife. We have already given 2 lecture video about the chapter, and in that lecture video we have covered the definition of the forest, importance of the forest, and in different types of forest which are found in our country in the different region. So now in today's lecture video we are going to discuss the rest part of the chapter, that was deforestation, conservation of wildlife, conservation of forest, how many national park and wildlife sanctuary we have in our country. So these are some topic are still remain in the lecture video. So let's talk about deforestation first. As we all know that deforestation is a process in which people used to cut more and more trees in order to fulfill their requirement and selfish need is called deforestation. कहने का मतलब यह है कि डिफोरेस्टेशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें लोग अपने स्वार्थ के लिए, अपनी ज़रूरतों के लिए बाकी जीव जंतुओं का सारे लाभ को दरकिनार करके वो पेड़ को काटते हैं, जंगल की सफाई करते हैं, जिससे जंगली जीव के रहने में काफ़ी तकलीफ होती है और उनकी जान को खतरा भी होता है। परंतु मनुष्य लोग इस चीज़ को बारंबार करते हैं, जिससे हमारे इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम में, एटमॉस्फेयर, बायोस्फीयर में इम्बैलेंस होता है, संतुलन बिगड़ती है। तो डिफोरेस्टेशन हम फिर से रिपीट कर रहे हैं। डिफोरेस्टेशन इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच पीपुल यूज टू कट मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर नीड एंड फुलफिल देयर नीड। सो इट इज़ अ वेरी इनह्यूमन एक्टिविटी। ये सही एक्टिविटी नहीं है, क्योंकि हम कई निर्दोष और बेकसूर जीव जंतुओं का जीवन से खेलते हैं, उनके हैबिटेट, उनके निवास स्थल को छीनते हैं और हम अपने लिए हरियाली को जो पृथ्वी पर मौजूद है उसे भी हटाते हैं। सो वी हैव टू ट्राई प्लांट मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज in order to protect our wildlife, in order to protect our atmosphere, environment and ecological system. For deforestation, in 1974, villager of Uttarakhand had started a great movement which was also known as चिपको मूवमेंट, चिपको आंदोलन. It was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna was the leader of that movement. In that movement, people used to hug the trees and plants in order to protect them and save them by the cutters, those persons who chop the tree in order to fulfill their requirement for their selfish need. सो इस मूवमेंट में ये था कि लोग जब कोई अगर पेड़ को काटने जाते थे तो उत्तराखंड के जो लोग उस मूवमेंट में थे वो उस पेड़ से लिपट जाते थे और वो ये कहते थे कि इस पेड़ को काटने के पहले मुझे काटना पड़ेगा, यानी कि वो पेड़ से चिपक जाते थे, जिसकी वजह से ये आंदोलन का नाम चिपको आंदोलन भी पड़ा और ये सही भी है। सो द चिपको मूवमेंट वॉज स्टार्टेड इन 1974 फ्रॉम बाय द विलेजर ऑफ उत्तराखंड, and it was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna. So now let's talk about conservation of forest. How we conserve? What do you mean by conservation? Conservation means to keep something safe, to keep something safe and sound. We have to protect our trees and plants and wildlife in order to protect our ecological system and atmosphere also. So If we avoid conservation of forest, which type of problems are going to create in our life is that first, soil erosion. Second, fertility of soil will reduce slowly and gradually. Third, the purity in air will decreases day by day. It also leads to migrate the animals and birds from their habitat. जो जंगली जीव अपने जगह पर रहते थे वो जंगल के कट जाने की वजह से वो दूसरे जगह माइग्रेट कर जाते हैं, चले जाते हैं, माइग्रेशन होता है उनका, जिसकी वजह से इकोलॉजिकल इम्बैलेंस होता है, वहाँ के एटमॉस्फेयर और इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम इन्वायरमेंट में बहुत बदलाव होता है. ये बिल्कुल ही गलत है. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट which type of a step have been started by our government, either state or central government, in order to protect wildlife and forest region. India has a great biodiversity. So first of all, what do you mean by biodiversity? Diversity means variety and bio means life. In India, we have different varieties of wild animals, birds and creatures, and in order to protect them all, government has been already started different types of program in order to protect them, like wildlife sanctuary, national park and biosphere reserve. Humans started killing animals to fulfill their requirement to protect the wildlife and their place where they live. Government planned wildlife sanctuary and national park and biosphere reserve in a different parts of our country. There are 531 wildlife sanctuary, 103 national park and 18 biosphere reserve we have in our country. That was surrounded by the protective wall. The staff employee of the forest department. Some of the most important wildlife sanctuary and national parks are Sundarban National Park in West Bengal, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Periyar National Park in Kerala, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand and Gir National Park in Gujarat. Animals such as lion, tiger, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, nilgai, monkeys, etc. are found in wildlife sanctuary. Many animals live in national park also. All the sanctuary and wildlife national parks are protected by the government in order to make a very proper balance in ecological system and environment. So now this all are associated with the protection of wildlife, protection of forest and protection of different factors which are associated with forest and wildlife. तो हमने इस चैप्टर में जाना कि भारत में कितने वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी हैं, कितने नेशनल पार्क हैं और कितने बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स हैं, और ये सारे के सारे किन के देख रेख में होता है. ये गवर्नमेंट आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू प्रोटेक्ट दिस ऑल प्लेसेस इन ऑर्डर टू कंजर्व वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड फॉरेस्ट. Conservation of forest also play a very vital role in order to sharpening out our life easier. So I hope you understand the video, and if you have any problem you consult to me after watching the video. Thanks again. Bye.